Okay, now this is what I mean. Once you get to this place, you've translated it to English. You can see it's on English now. You translated it to English. Now what else you will do is to go to this bar, this three dot bar at the right hand of your phone. You change it to a desktop site. If it's not on desktop site, if you're using phone, there are so many features you will not be able to be seeing on 1688. And if you're using laptop, it's better to use laptop to search on 1688 because laptop will give you varieties. Laptop will give you even the videos of the product you want to buy. You can download their videos, you can download their picture to use to do your own marketing. As I said earlier, once you get any product you want to purchase, you want to order, you've ordered for the product, start marketing the product immediately before the product arrive to Nigeria. Make sure you start marketing for your product. Okay, now let's do an oral search here. Let me search for ladies shoe. You see, everything about ladies shoe will come out. So you now select what you want. Let me go for sandals. Okay, now this is the varieties of ladies sandals that we are seeing. So what we do now is to open it up. Open your desired one. You open it up. Okay, now you can see these sandals. You can see everything written about it. It's 128 yam. Okay, now you see in nearly 30 days 17 pairs was purchased. Okay, you come down again. In nearly 30 days 8 people were purchased. This is just the way people are buying it. Okay, you come down again, you see the specification, you see the attribute, fashion, sandal and whatever. This is where you go to get all the information. We'll get to this place. Okay, now you see the evaluation of people that bought it. Any product that you see that people buy and like, they will always comment on this place. And you see that it have 5 ratings, 5 rating star to show you that the products are good. People have tested it and they like it. Okay, now you come down to the name of the company. That produced the sandals. Now there are 4 years. You can see there are 4 years and they have 5 star. That's to show that their products are good. They are tested and trusted. People have bought their products and people like them. So what you will do is to enter their shop. You will see where they say enter shop. Okay, so once you enter their shop, you see that they have so many nice things. The same company that you saw that place, this is all they have inside their shop. It's like when you go to Yaba market, you want to go and buy market, or when you enter any big market, you want to go and buy market, they display their most beautiful things outside. So when you see what all their good things that you saw outside, and you need more, you need to see more of their product, you need to see more of what they have. So what you do is you enter the main shop, inside the shop. When you enter inside the shop, this is all they have, this is all the company have. You keep scrolling down, you keep searching until you get whatever you desire, and that is not too expensive. Okay, let me check for this. This one is you see this shoe. This shoe now I have bought for 31 pairs in within 1 month, and it's even expensive, yet people are buying it to show that this shoe is a quality shoe. But please, I did not advise you to go and buy something that is expensive so you'll be able to sell it. This is Naija. Buy something that is affordable, that will not be difficult for you to sell. Okay, now you see it, you check the review. You see the review on people that bought the shoe, 133. And please, anytime you're checking review, if it's not up to 500, 100 and something, or if it's just 5 or 10, please don't buy that product. Make sure that it's more than 100 to 500 to 1000 before you buy that product. And if the company is not anything from 3 years up, don't buy it. If you buy it, you're doing it on try and luck. You might buy it and it will not be good. So whenever you're searching, make sure that their company is up to 3 to 4 years. So you see some people that are up to 10 years, you see some people that are up to 15 years. That to show that those people are tested and trusted on this side. They have stayed long on this side, and you be very careful, because if you're buying from people that just join, people that are like 1 year, 2 years, you might end up in the wrong hand. You might end up on scam. So that's why it's important for you to always check how many years the company have stayed with 68A before you purchase anything from them. Okay, that's all for this video. Okay, I will continue with voice recording.